In this video, we are going to see how we can plot and edit a MATLAB figure with two y-axes like this. So this is the script that I use for the plot. I already have the values for my x-axis in the first line. Then I have the quadratic and the cubic polynomials that I plot in the y-axis. So the key part of the plot is using these command lines, that is the y-axis left and the y-axis right. So the lines of code under the y-axis left command will correspond to the plot in the left hand side of the figure. So I start with the plot function, then the y label, which will correspond to my quadratic polynomial plot. So since the figure will have a common x-axis, you can place your x label command or function under the y-axis left or under the y-axis right, and it will be okay. You can see I placed the title here under the y-axis right because it is common for the plot. So you can also place it here or under the y-axis left part. So if I run my code, I can edit one of the plots while I leave the other unedited. For example, I want to restrict the limit of the cubic polynomial to be only positive, that is between 0 and 8000, similar to the quadratic polynomial. All I need to do is to go under the part that corresponds to the plot I want to edit. For example, this is the cubic polynomial part, and I can just restrict the y limit or y-axis. So I will just have the y-lim function and I will restrict it to show the positive part of the plot. I run again. So you can see this is the figure which has implemented what I just edited. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.